We're in Module 3, Lesson 3, Explore Division of Mixed Numbers. So here's some people taking a break during their hike, and they take a break every 3/4 of a mile. So these three friends go on a hike that is 4.5 miles long. If they take a break as often as shown here, then how many breaks will they take? They want us to draw a bar model to represent the mixed number 4.5. So what they wanted us to do, they want us to draw five equal size rectangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I accidentally have 6 there, so let me, that's not what I wanted to do. Let me try that again. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's 4.5, so that means I'd have 5 total. And for 4.5, I need to shade in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a half. So that's what represents it. I drew a bar of 5, so I could make that half bar. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Complete the following statements about my bar model. I drew blank equal sizes of my model. 5. I need to shade in 4.5 because I went on a 4.5 mile hike. The hikers take a break every 3/4 mile. How can you find the number of times the hikers take a break? I can see how many 3/4 of a whole are in 4.5 wholes. Just like that. If you're doing this by yourself, they also have the sample answers for you. So now we're going to draw a bar model to find how many breaks the three friends will take. Okay, so I'm still using my bar of 5. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I need to do is I need to divide them into fourths because 3/4 for me, that means I need to have it separated into fourths. So I'm going to change my color so you can see that. Each box I'm going to separate, make 4 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to see how we're gonna find 3/4 of each one. So I have 1, 2, 3. I have 1, 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. And another one. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. And 1, 2, 3. I cannot go past this one because remember, I needed 4.5. This is half right here. That should be a 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. So if we go down here, explain how you divided your bar model to find how many. So what I did, I divided each rectangle into fourths. Then I showed groups of 3/4 by circling them. And that was it. Now, select each arrow to see a bar model representing the height. So that's what we did on the top. This is what we did on the bottom. Then how many groups of 3/4 are in 4/4? 4.5. We come up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to choose 6 and we're going to check it. And we got it right. Which expression shows the operation you would use? We take 4.5 and we divide it by 3/4. Just like that. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Okay. Jamarion has 4 2/5 pounds of peanuts that he needs to divide evenly into 6 bins. How many pounds of peanuts will be in each bin? So he has a total of 4 2/5. So I know it's going to start 4 2/5, and we're going to divide by 6 because we want to divide by 6 because there are 6 bins, and we're going to see how many goes into each of the 6 bins. Use what you know about division to complete the sentence. The quotient 4 2/5 divided by 6 will be less than 1 or greater than 1. And we're going to say less than because 6 is greater than 4 2/5. Which fraction represents the mixed number 4 2/5? So when we do this, to change a mixed number into an improper fraction, so we have 4 2/5. Would help. We have 4 2/5. To change this mixed number into an improper fraction, we are going to multiply the denominator and the whole number on the outside. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then we're going to add that to 2. So 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22, and we keep the same denominator. So we have 22 over 5. So explore to see the first steps you can find. So I kind of already did that for you, so I'm not going to click that right now, but you can click it if you're doing this without me in person. Which fraction is the quotient? So I have 22 divided by 5, or sorry, 22 over 5 divided by 6. When we have a whole number, we put a 1 under it. Our first number comes straight down. Our division sign changes to a multiplication, and then we're going to flip it. I'm going to check to see if I can cross cancel. I can't do anything with the 5 and the 1, but the 2 and the 6. 2 can go into both of those. 2 goes into 22 11 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I get 11 over 15 as our answer. Just like that. And then complete the sentences to describe how to divide 4 2/5 pounds of peanuts evenly into 6 bins. So we're going to write the blank as a fraction greater than 1. So we're going to write the mixed number as a fraction greater than 1. We're going to change the operation to multiplication and replace the divisor with its reciprocal. Multiply. There will be 11 over 15 pound of peanuts in each bin. because that's what we got when we multiplied it. Okay, we're going to move on to the next page. Okay, consider the division problems 2 1/4 divided by 3/8. Complete the steps to show how to divide the mixed number by the fraction. So we're going to write the mixed number as a fraction. It's going to be greater than 1, 2 1/4. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and the same denominator. Okay. Which shows the final steps you can take to find the quotient of 2 1/4 divided by 3/8. So remember we changed 2 1/4 into 9/4. So 9/4. Then we're going to flip the 3/8 to this right here, because that's the reciprocal. So we're going to rewrite 2 1/4 as 9/4, multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So that means we flip the second fraction, and then we simplify into 6. On to the next page. Phil works at a pet store where fish are sold. He has 5 1/4 liters of water to